Hi, I'm Greg from RV Haulers. Would you like to take a 4-door adventure vehicle with you on your RV hauler, or a 2-door adventure vehicle and maybe put in a little more storage? Up to you. In this video, I'm going to show you a comparison of a 4-door and a 2-door RV hauler bed. Well, we had an opportunity here in the yard to be able to do a great comparison. We've got two Gen 3 Volvos here, and what you see over this shoulder is a 4-door adventure vehicle bed, and this one is a 2-door adventure vehicle with a drawn box. It's just a little bit of length comparison between a 4-door and 2-door bed, and effectively what the length difference is between them. Now, just for you eagle-eyed folks, I wanted to point out one thing about this 2022 Volvo Model 860. This one has been customized for some folks that are actually going to be putting a 4-door Bronco up here, but I don't have one. I've got a 4-door Wrangler. If you've seen some of our past videos, you might have noticed this is my personal 2-door Wrangler, and my wife and I loved it. We really enjoyed our Willys. This is a Willys model, and I had an opportunity to do a little bit of an upgrade to a 4-door. This one has the 392 V8 in it, and we've been loving this one as well. We've been taking it up into the mountains, doing all kinds of great adventures with this one too. Now, the difference in length between a 4-door Wrangler and a 2-door Wrangler is 2 feet. So what you can do is, if you want to save some length, if you want to make your RV hauler a little shorter, we can put a 2-door up there, save about 2 feet. The other thing we can do is, optionally, we can outfit your RV hauler with one of our can drum storage boxes that you see behind the sleeper. If you want to save even further length, we can shorten the rig by removing that drum box and putting in place, and pardon me, moving the 2-door Wrangler right up behind the sleeper. What the customers have chosen in this case is their 4-door Bronco. We're just using that Wrangler to illustrate. We've nosed it up about 5 inches or 6 inches from the back of the sleeper, so that we've kept the length as short there as well. So we've foregone putting in a drum box on this one, and instead just put the adventure vehicle up there. For frame of reference, I want to point something out. We lined these RV haulers up nose to nose, so you see that those front bumpers and mirrors are lined up. And here you can see how we nosed that Wrangler within about 6 inches of the back of the sleeper, in between those fairings, and that's what the layout looks like. Here's the 2-door solution, and in this case, we chose to go with in behind the sleeper. And here too, we've left about 6 inches of space between the front edge of the bumper and the drum box. Another small difference between these two beds is this is our translucent bed. So the light shines through from the bottom. This one is our standard gray material. I like this one because as you're looking at it right now, you can see when we're driving a vehicle up there, you get a little bit of dust and dirt up here. I love the gray because it doesn't show the dirt as much. As well, on both of these beds, we've gone with a full set of our airline tracking. So not only do we have the tracking going widthwise on the bed for putting in our chocks, but we've also got the tracking running the full length of the bed. So if you do choose to load things from the side and tie them down, or get a load of lumber, you got lots of tie down points and lots of tie down options. We've also added our can steps to the driver and passenger sides of the sleeper. So we have doubled the number of steps to get up into the sleeper, into the cab, and you've also got a huge big platform when you step outside of the RV hauler, and the surfaces are really gritty. They're almost like a coarse sandpaper, and that's embedded right into the fiber product. So you got great grip even when, like today, we got snow and ice on our boots. Thanks for joining me in this video. Please, I have a favor to ask. I love it when you folks comment and give me all kinds of questions down below on these videos. So if you have a moment or if you have a question, please pose them down below. I try to answer all of them that I can. The other favor I have is, please, we're a little business. We're a tiny shop. And I'd appreciate if you gave us a thumbs up. It helps other people find our videos. And of course, I want to thank those of you that have subscribed to my channel over the years. I appreciate your support of our efforts. I'm Greg from RV Haulers. Oh wait, if you would like to see us installing a moose bumper on this RV hauler that has never been seen before. Join me. I'm gonna have another video after this, so please subscribe to the channel if you want to get a heads up on that moose bumper that's coming up. Keep an eye out for that. I'm Greg from RV Haulers. Thanks for watching, and please everyone, drive safe.